Stay tuned for further information.
Hi, everyone. EAS 2020 here. I am so excited to announce that the visit may be released on March 20th. I can estimate that the scenario will be 50 to 60 minutes long, with news broadcasts, dialogue scenes, and of course, EAS alerts in the scenario. I am personally excited for this scenario, especially after its prequel, The Return of the Phoenix Lights, hit over 800 views, the most views I have gotten in any of my videos. Of course, as spring break comes to a close for me, there may be some delays in production, but I will try my best to release the visit on the 20th. What you have just seen in the teaser, and the previous teaser, are actual alert scenes in this scenario. Obviously, to not spoil the scenario, I won't be releasing any more teasers. I am going to stop releasing EAS shorts until I release the visit, even though I said that an EAS short will be posted today, but I decided to do this instead. Before this ends, I would like to say thank you for over 25 subscribers and over 2,000 views on this channel. I am so grateful for you guys. Anyways, I'm going to continue the scenario. See y'all.